How's everybody doing? And it's also kind of cold. Oh, looks like I've got a crown. That's lovely. Hello, everybody. Tyler, Jen, thanks for coming to watch. Love it. You gotta see this great house, right? Lindy, hi. Can you see me? It's really bright. It's making me very squinty. So let's see. Here I am in Calgary today. I have been at home for over 2 weeks. Don't go out much still, obviously, but I thought I would quickly do a tour of this home. And I'm trying to make it there. That's better. Is that better? How are you all today? Everybody watching, say hi when you come on here. You gotta give me some love, you guys. Hi. How's everybody doing? Go invite some friends. Tell your friends to come on over and watch me tour this house. So this is a gorgeous house. It's 2820 25A Street Southwest, Calgary. I've got no jacket on or shoes because I wanted to just quickly show you guys the outside of this house here. So anyways, I should introduce myself. It's Dione Irwin, the Dione Irwin Real Estate team in Remax House of Real Estate. I'm going to show you this street. We're doing virtual tours, a lot of them. There are still some people that need to buy and sell right now. So we're definitely doing some virtual things. Not everybody has to buy and sell right now, but some people do. So we're matching up those people that have to buy and the ones that have to sell. So look at this front of this place. It's so pretty. I don't know if you see the front of it. So it's hardy board, stone, really nice, classy looking black door. It's beautiful. It's a fully finished home. The double garage. And if anybody like Lindy listed this house with me. So Lindy, if I forget anything, chime in there and make sure I don't. Okay, so actually I don't want to put my face in there. Let's flip it around. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna go in to this home. And this home is another one of those, well, they're all special to me, but it's really nice when you meet a family and you help them buy a house and then their family grows and then they are ready to sell that house that you helped them find. So this is one of those families and I'm so thankful to be a part of their life, as always with all of our clients. We're just thankful and grateful. And we're just all here to help each other out. And I'm thankful that they have asked me and my team to help them sell this house. So here is, you walk into this big entry and there is a nice double closet right there. And I hope I'm not talking too loud. Get all excited, And this can be a front dining room. They have it as a really pretty office. Could be a den, toy room, whatever. But lots of nice bright windows, custom blinds in this already. And so it's a beautiful open concept home. And this house is so clean. I sold another house for these guys and their last house was beautiful and clean as well. So it's just really nice when people take pride in their home. So this is a Cardell home, built by Cardell. Is that crooked a little bit? I'm trying to straighten it, but there. Is that better? Okay. I don't know if anybody, if it's crooked, make sure you tell me. Okay, you guys listening? Hey, Caitlin, how are you? I loved your video you made. You're so beautiful. Thanks for doing that, letting everybody know that we are an essential service right now. So this is a Cardell home. It's 9-foot ceilings, pot lights, beautiful pendants, just very classic. These are walnut cabinets. They are just beautiful. I mean, you know what? Some people say, oh, I must have white or whatever, but it's got white quartz. These cabinets are so classic and timeless. They won't go out of style. They're just beautiful wood cabinets. They upgraded their appliances. Nice built-in fridge. Well, it looks built-in, but it fits perfectly into that spot. We got a gas stove. They have lots of pot and pan drawers. It's got the hood fan here, and there's a microwave right down here with more drawers, more storage. Nice dishwasher, and yeah, so lots of drawer space here. And then we've got this very bright and sunny living room with the fireplace feature. It's so cozy today with the fireplace on. And then you can see the backyard there. It is fully fenced and landscaped. On the listing, if you go check it out, it's got the summer pictures, and this has got an aggregate patio. They spent quite a bit of money on the backyard here. It's got a nice big tree and a double garage back there. So lots of space for family gatherings. If you have kids, they can play back there. If you have pets, there's a little bit of grass, actually quite a bit of grass for them to do their little business on, I guess. So anyways, here's another view from this way. Make sure if you guys are coming to watch, make sure you say hi. I miss all you guys. I feel a little bit, I know we're all feeling a little bit, well, at least I'm feeling kind of isolated these days, but I'm happy to be here walking through this house with you all. So here's another angle. There's the dining area, and they did the little windows for more light. There's lots of pot lights here. So just a nice open concept home. And other things about this home. Okay, so it's it's quite close to downtown. It's really like 2 blocks from the express route, the Max Yellow bus route. So you can walk to the bus route to the express downtown. Also, it's really good, easy access to Marda Loop, Westhills, 17th Ave, lots of parks and playgrounds, public, private, and Catholic schools, and also close to golf, rec centers, and dog parks. And this street is very quiet. It's a low traffic area. So wouldn't you just love to come home to that room? Like, that would be it's just a very inviting, really cozy home, but yet very spacious. So let's go. Okay, so yeah, that's the kitchen. Plus there's also a pantry here. And they added extra shelving for all the things that you don't use as much, but you need. Okay, let's go upstairs. So it's got the nice open, upgraded railing, classic. Oh, and the floor, I'll show you the floor. So make sure if you're watching and you know somebody that would love to live inner city or right near inner city, this is an inner city house, make sure you tag them or share this. So it's a really nice wide plank floor. It's like very durable. It's not scratched. This house is very clean. The walls are good. It's not banged up. It's very well cared for. So you can't be in the house, but I will tell you. And okay, so right up here we have the upper laundry. So you come up the stairs and upper laundry with a lot of storage and a nice window, hanging stuff there too. Then we have one of the bedrooms. So all the rooms have nice big closets. And this is one of their kids' rooms. Lots of space there. And then the other room, so there's 3 bedrooms up here and 1 down, fully finished basement. And there you go, there's the other one. And then right nearby, so it's handy, is the bathroom. So there you go. And then, okay, this is the master. Really big king-size bed, huge furniture. It seems small in here almost because it's such a big room. And this is a part that I really love, and they loved it when they bought it. We looked for a long time to find this house, and this house had everything they wanted. So it's got a huge walk-in right here with shelves, whoops, and another walk-in closet right here. So 2 walk-ins. So however you want to decide who gets what, that's what those are for. Okay, and so if you want to, so there's the backyard. You can see it from here. So very nice hardy board, and all the houses are developed along here. There's a lot, all infills, and it's all built up around here, so there's not going to be construction anymore, so that's nice. Okay, and we got our master ensuite with beautiful glass shower. It's quite oversized. It's a very big shower with a nice bench, and it's got the quartz slab there. And then also we've got a nice vanity with drawers, 2 sinks, and a really deep soaker tub. So there you go. Very nice and neutral. So I will show you the basement, which is also developed. And let's see here. Okay. So how's everybody doing today? Are you all loving this house or what? My realtor friends, do you have people that are looking? Because I know it is essential that people find houses these days. And we have to be there for people that have already sold before everything happened and they need to buy, or they gave their landlord notice and now they need to buy a house, or they need to get out of a situation and it's an emergency and they do need to buy. So things like that. We're here, right? Okay, here we go. Let's just flip it around again. I walked down the stairs. So here is the lower level. We have got a nice big 4th bedroom. Big window right there. And this is a 9-foot basement, so very high ceilings down here. It is a really great space to hang out. Full bathroom. I'm trying not to touch any light switches or anything, so I'll just show you that one, but it's a full bath. Tile shower, tile, and okay, also here is the beautiful family room. So it's really big. They've got a little setup here for their kids' toys. You could just do whatever you want. You could add a wet bar in if you wanted, or the possibilities are endless. And they've got a nice area for TV. So plenty of space to run. I imagine their kids are running around a lot here right now because today it's cold and there's really nowhere to go out to, so they're probably really appreciating this space. So this, if somebody has any questions, you can ask me. This has been 2820 25 A Street, Southwest Calgary in Richmond. Beautiful area, great street. $799.9, which is an awesome price for this neighborhood. It is a really, really great price. So share the video, tag a friend, let them know about this amazing house, and let them take a little tour through it. And I thank you guys for watching. I hope you're all doing good. And I hope you're staying positive and, sorry, I'm totally out of breath now. Staying positive and staying home as much as possible. And, oh yeah, don't touch your face. How about that one? Don't touch your face. Don't touch your eyes. Okay, one thing I didn't show you guys here. This is the back entry. Sorry, we'll just skip to here. This is the entry that comes in from the garage. Come in this door. They've got lots of hanging and room for a bench, and then also another closet. So there you go. Thanks for watching with me, Dione Irwin with Remax House of Real Estate. Appreciate all your support, everybody. If you need anything, make sure you let me know. And you can contact us about this house, 403-483-9208. If you have questions, feel free to ask, and we're here to help. So, ciao for now.